What's up, everybody? It is a Tuesday evening. Somebody asked me what goes on during the week. Are things open during the week? Down Longfields Avenue, Walking Street area. So you know what? We're going to do a little walk. I'm not going to ask for the pace or the pound or the Australian dollar or anything like that tonight. But it is a straight 52 pesos on the US dollar. So it has gone up, back up to 52. So let's do our Tuesday stroll down through here. Because the other thing I wanted to mention too is they just had a 2-day liquor ban. 2-day liquor ban here. They do that during an election. The day before and the day of elections, they do a liquor ban. No selling of alcohol. However, the restaurants around here, the clubs around here can apply for a permit, a special permit, and they get the permit, they get it approved, and then they can serve alcohol to foreigners only. That's what I was told. So anyways, if you haven't heard by now, they do have a new president. He doesn't go into power till I think June, let's say. But yes, they do have a new president, and the mayor stays the same here in Angeles City. Seen this line walking up here, right? Hey, what's that line for? ATM machine line. Anytime there's an ATM machine where a lot of people can access it, it's crazy. You have a lot of people standing in line. I usually hit the ATM up on Clark. I gotta shoot up right on Clark there and bank up on Clark. Hit the ATM up on Clark. Less hassle. Yeah. Just got done eating. I have a full belly. Traffic's not bad. It's around, I don't know, 7 o'clock or so. So on a Tuesday, that's your traffic. It's manageable. What's that line for? What's that line for? To get in?
Huh?
That line.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what that line's for. Standing outside the South Star, so traffic police. Doing a good job. Italia Hotel 52, same as back at the other area. That means places like Norma's might be like 0.5. You know, they always seem a little bit, you know, like a few points higher. Hey, all right. All right. Subscriber. I think I met like 4 subscribers today when I was eating breakfast. That's the norm. Usually every day I meet a new subscriber that came here and visiting here. It's great to talk to them, hear their stories, hear what they have to say. Find out why they're here, what they're doing here, what brought them here, how long they're going to stay here, what's their plan, what is their, where they're going to go after here, how long, you know, all that. I enjoy hearing people's, I enjoy hearing their stories. It's a shame that Cabby's place, every time you walk by there, it's just empty.
Well, I think they make money, but they never close yet.
Yeah, I mean, they're still hanging in there, but I can't see them hanging in there too long. I've never eaten in there. But yeah, it's a shame. Businesses come open here and then they think they got they got what everybody wants, but it doesn't happen. I always said you start a business here, you know, you're going to come here and say, I'm going to cater to all the expats. I got the best tacos. Well, it doesn't work like that. You got to be able to also cater to the Filipino people. Because if you're just going to cater to the expats, it's not going to, little places aren't going to survive. That's just what I have witnessed. Let me shoot down here, I'll show you here. Hey, what's up, buddy? Shoot down here, the lights are on. She's all painted up, she's ready to go. Get across the street here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. There you go, Las Vegas. The lights are on. They're all painted up. That looks probably the nicest I've ever seen that up there. That's the nicest I've ever seen that. It's always been beat up and ratty looking and faded out. How about it? It looks good. That's like an iconic throw here. I like that. That stands out. To me, that stands out. And inside, I know they're doing renovation in there, so. You ever see it look that good lit? No. First time I've ever seen it look that good. Envy on the right, there's some people in there. Some people inside Phillies. All right, on to the walking street we go. This little DJI does get warm. I can feel it in my hand. I'm at 4K 30 frames per second, but I can feel it get warm in my hands. I know the GoPro gets really hot, especially if I'm out and about in the sun. The other day it just shut off. I was out and about doing a vlog and shut off. It has that safety feature in there where beep, 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 and it'll just shut off. She's pretty mellow tonight. Look at that, right there. Look up there. See that in the window? I'll have to go up and talk to him. You don't see the light? See that? Yeah. I wonder if he took my advice. Everything's open on the right, everything's open on the left. You know, Rhapsody, is it Rhapsody on the corner? Right? They just never open. One club right there on the corner, Rhapsody, never opened. I'm sure somebody will hop in there and take it over. The Perch at Kokomo's it's full. Oh yeah. Nice little breeze tonight. Club Excess is closed. They're closed every Tuesday. High Quality. That's a new bar, right? High Quality. That's a new bar. Yeah, that's new. Shooters on the right is closed, so they must close every Tuesday. Bad Boys is open. Champagne is open. Look at all the balloons. What's up with the balloons? Whose birthday? Oh, okay. All right. All right. Somebody's birthday, he said. Of course, the Viking is open. Opa cosplay. They do have CCTV cameras on this street, so if you think you're hiding, you're not hiding. They got you on camera. Now that's open again. Raging Bull hiring. Smell the barbecue, huh? Baccarat open, Flamingo open. Seen this level 3 open.
Always watching you on YouTube.
All right, back on level 3. That just opened, didn't it? We are open. Level 3, Gold Bar, Arabesque. Sir Arabesque, Sir Arabesque, Sir Arabesque. Wow. Gossip, that just reopened, right? What? Didn't Gossip just reopen? Right? Yeah, because they had a big sheet in front of that. So Gossip is open again. Dragon Bar on the right, open. Paro, I guess they reopened again, huh? Paro Bar, that was closed down. That's now reopened. They come and go, huh? All right. All right. Aru. That's nice looking. Bangkok Hotel on the left. Infinity, Yai-san, and the Paradise pumping the music out. I got a big old speaker pumping out the music. There's a few people in there. And we have made it to the end of Tuesday night, Walking Street, Angeles City, Philippines. I'll get down here and I'll wrap this up real quick. So there it is, Tuesday night. Not too much going on. Some bars are closed on Tuesdays and others are open. Some have reopened that I've seen. Yeah, well. Trike line right here. Earlier tonight we heard fireworks. We think it was the celebration from City Hall with the mayor being re-elected. Man, there's a lot of trikes here. There's a lot. All right, let me come over here and wrap this one up by the old McDonald's MacArthur Highway. McDonald's is the place to go. Do they have the old clown outside? Nah, they took the clown in. Oh man, I was gonna tweak the clown, but it's gone. What'd they do with the clown? Look, they took the clown away. Ronald McDonald, remember they had the clown out there? They took it away. I was going to give it a big old tweak. All right, guys, so there it is, Tuesday night, Walking Street, Angeles City, all the fun and excitement and, all that other good stuff. But you know what, guys, I do want to dedicate this walk to probably my number one, I don't know if he's a fan, if he's a stalker, if he's a hater, if he's a jealous person of mine, but Mr. Westerner, who for some reason talks a lot about me, nicknamed me Scruffy, but he watches every single video I do. So that walk, this walk I just did was dedicated to Mr. Westerner. Thank you for being a super fan. So, and with that being said, I'm going to wrap this one up and we'll talk to you later.